Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do no fall challenge, and I'm doing voiceover after many days. As I need to make videos and I need to study, so I just don't get time to voiceover. And yes, on Saturday or Sunday some interest I'm going to play a few tournaments, so you can watch that video too. It was our first Calvin Klein map, and I was scared that I should not fall. I don't know why this bot was going from here. She could qualify easily, and I'm going to play 3 games. So now let's see which is our second map. Wait for it. And now our second map is over and under, as you can see. I thought like I will fall, no, but there were no chances to fall but yeah, I get hit here by that obstacle. I again get hit here by that obstacle, again the same one, and then this chicken was waiting, but still he got hurt. He got hit by the obstacle, and then these two fellows fell, and then I just wanted a hug, which he gave me. I wanted him to make me qualify, so that only he did. That time I thought that, can he read my mind? I wanted a hug because nobody means everybody keeps punching me. It feels like, what did I did? Like they keep punching. And then I was so upset that this map came. I had to fall anywhere, because this map, one time I fall only, and then I was in the lead, but I let them go. Then it's second me, and then I go from here, but I fall. So now we'll go to the next match. And sorry guys, I just forgot to start the recording, but there was no chance to fall there. And now, as there were walls every side, and then I do the trick in the first this thing, right? Means there are two elevators, or what do you say, anything. There I do that trick, but I didn't do, as I thought if I would fall, so this was also the last round. And now, which is the map? Oh no, it is Rocket Rumble. Why do I get this map in this? It was obvious that I would fall. Then I go, I try to stick the wall, as nobody hits me. As sometimes in this map our teammates only kill us, I go there, and then I just got hit, but I didn't fall, so I just went away from there. And then I was going to a safe place when I just threw him away from the rocket, and I don't know what was this guy doing. Then I was letting him go. Then I waited for him to come here, and then I just threw him away. And then what was this chicken doing here? I then was confident I wouldn't fall, because so many times I got hit by the rocket, but I didn't fall anything. Then we were winning, but then I don't know what happened to me, and I went there. I shouldn't have gone there. Anyways, I was eliminated. And then I was like, why? What did I did? Like, these map and this map has name Tile Fall. So I was trying if I fall there. I wanted to fall, but then I thought that what if I didn't fall? So then I came back. Then I let them go. There it is. I qualify without falling in Tile Fall. So now our first round was over. Tile Fall, and let's see which is our second map. So I hope it should not be Space Race. It is not, or it is. Let's see. And this map takes ages, but I know it is Pivot Push, because the trick is that when the next stop is on the left side, it is always Pivot Push. You can try it up. Then I go pretty fast, but then I don't know from where this brown polar bear comes. Means he goes from the up. You can go behind and was. And this Tanmay too was crying when he was in lead, and then he was saying hi to me. Sorry. And then I was like, why did you punch me? And that what do we say? One character just went on the left side after trampoline. This sleepy man does a lot of punch. This Hetu King I was saying about. And then our last map is Over and Under, as you can see. So it is Over and Under, and I knew I didn't win. I will not win because I am not that good in this map. And then I was going up to do the trick, and again I fell. But this I was like, whoa! I went from there without touching the obstacle, and then yeah, I touched. Guys, bye. We'll meet you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.